what's that? Yay! What's that?
Wow! Wow! What is this? Wow! Wow! Yay!
Yay! Yay!
Wow.
What's that?
Wow!
What's that?
It's
Wow! Patay nga. Yay! Marunong na siyang mag-appreciate. Cat!
Cat!
Wow!
Cat! Cat! Wow!
Bago pa siya, Papa.
Cat! O, cat na tayo.
May papel. Nakalimutan mo may papel.
Bubo!
Oh, dali na yung cat.
Wow! What is this?
Bigati kay. Free yan. Free. Yay! What's that?
There's another one.
Wow! Yay! Look!
It's a cat! Cat! Wow!
Yeah!
Wow!
Nilagay na niya yung ano niyan sa loob, oh.
Wow!
Wow! Cat!
Gio! Pop up! Cat!
May ano siya, may sangkalan.
Cat!
Yay!
Cat! Cat!
Binili namin yan sa Carrot.
Cat!
Bago pa.
Oh, papa! Cat! Oh, Gio! Look! Gio! Cat!
Hindi, busy siya, busy. Ay, maganda siya klase, Papa. Look at the banana, Papa.
Look at the banana, oh.
Oy, natatanggal.
Oh, cat! Shoo! Shoo!
Oh.
Shoo! Cat! Wow!
Ang daming lilikpit eh.
Ang daming lilikpit ito. Wow!
Ang kulit.
Ang banana to.
Aching!
Yay! Banana!
Orange.
Look at the melon! Watermelon! Cat!
Wow, cat!
Oh,
Wow!
Cat! Cat! Choo!
Ooh,
Cat!
wow! Gio, you like it? Wow!
Cat! Oh.
Naano siya, Nakakatawa. Nag-yay siya kanina eh. Nag-clap-clap siya Papa, di ba?
Cat!
Ay, maganda yan, Han. Look at the yung cord, no? Matatanggal.
Cat! Oh.
Ang galing. Ang ganda.
Cat! Cat! Cat na cat! Cat! Balik na
Happy yarn. Para naman anak nonchalant. Tanggalin mo na yung takip doon. Nandun na sa loob. Nilagay.
Cat na cat!
Ay, marami siyang
dalawa.
Sabi ko sa'yo. Wow, grapes!
Cat!
It's the grapes! Malalaki pala yun, Papa, no? Ang ganda naman. What's that? Wow. May shaker pa. May shaker. Talagang kanya lahat eh. Ako, ang dami kong liligpitin yan.
Wow, this is what all garbage. Papa will cut.
Ang dami liligpitin.
Cut. Shoo. Cut.
Sabi niya, napapanood ko lang to ngayon. Ay, about the cake. May cake, Papa. Ulo ko. There. Sa Kajiyo. Oh, nasaan ang niyan? Partner. It's a cake!
It's a cake! Wow! Cut!
Tapos may plato. May plato ba yun? Cut! Talagang siya? Excited siya.
Wow! It's a cake! Anak, Gio. Look, Gio. Cut! Oh! Papa will cut the cake. Look at. Oh,
mura lang ang bili ko dyan, ha? No, madami na siya, no?
Cut! Wow! Cut!
Honey, di ba yung pinakita ko sa'yong mahal?
Cut, Papa, cut! Cut! Cut na cut! Cut! Shoo!
Excited kasi siya lahat. Ayan, oh, yan yung gusto niya, yung beans.
Cut! Cut na cut!
Beans.
Cut! Cut na!
Wow!
Yung pala to. Orange! There's an orange!
Yay!
Cut! Cut!
Wow! Good job! Give it the other, ano papa? The other fruits. Gagamitin ko yung pop-up na yan. Para dun sa ano ko. Sa box.
Wow, look at that. Whoa.
That's a shaker. That's a shaker.
Watermelon. Wow. Cut.
Nonchalant naman.
Dalahin ko ng orange.
Dalawang dalawang pack na lagayan eh. Thank you, Papa God. Nakaswerte ako na. Magkano lang bili ko.
Wow.
Tapos complete pa, Papa. May ano pa, di ba? May lagayan pa siya.
This one, look at this. Look at this. Green paper. This one, Cut.
Gift siguro yun.
Cut, Papa. Cut the eggplant. Cut the eggplant. Cut. Shoo. Cut. Oh, the carrot. Cut the carrot. Cut.
Wow! You will cook?
Oh,
you want to cook, mahal ko?
Orange. Cut orange. Cut.
Yay!
Wow. This one. You like it?
Mabibisi na naman siya, Papa.
This one. Look at Cut. Shoo.
Chef yata yung anak mo eh. Magiging chef.
Cut. Malaming ligpitin.
Okay lang yan. Liligpitin ng isang ligpitan.
Cut.
Wow.
Cut.
What? Papa, you get the other, you show me, Papa, what the other inside there.
Oh, this one.
Inside. Wow. Dapat isa-isa mo eh. Para ano siya eh. Para natutuwa siya.
This is
ang pagkuha.
Guapa. Wow.
Guapa. Parang ano yan eh. Parang squash. Guapa.
Okay. This one is
pineapple.
Wow. Grapes.
Dalawa na yung grapes niya. Tsaka dalawa yung
Tomato. This is tomato.
How many tomatoes does she had?
Dalawa. And what is this? What was
wow!
This? What is this?
What's that, Gio?
Huh? Wow! This one. What was this? Banana?
Isa lang ba yung banana? Dalawa yung mais. Ibang-iba ng ano. Yung isa nakakat, Papa, yung mais. Nakakat yung isa, lang, natatanggal yung balat. Ang ganda. Sana may ganyan tayo nung bata tayo, no?
Cut.
Wow! Busy-busy na yung baby namin, oh.
Wow! Ibang eggplant ito.
Eggplant. Wow! Nice! Blessing yan, anak, kasi mura lang natin nabili.
Wow! There's another one. What is this?
It's a radish.
And tomato.
Ano yung plato? Para sa cake siguro yan.
And this is
apple.
Apple to?
Yeah.
Apple. And this is pungpong. Shaker. What color is this?
Color?
What color is this?
Blue. Wow. Ba't ang kulang dyan is garlic. May onion naman eh. Walang garlic.
Balik mo po. Tomato.
Thank you, Papa.
Cabbage.
Thank you po sa pag-get ng ko. That is, yung Baguio? Pechay? Hindi ko alam kung Chinese cabbage ba.
Chinese cabbage. This one.
Do you like it, anak? Wow, do you like it? Ang dami mo na namang ikakalat. Yes. Yes, Mama. You like it? Wow. Natuwa siya kanina, no? Nung makita niya.
Amis na miss mo tayo.
Amis. Nakikita niya dun sa pinapanood niya eh. Ganyan talaga, anak. Pag nakikita mo eh.
Ilang araw ito, masasawa na ito.
Hindi, itatago natin pag nagsasawa siya. Bye-bye! Bye-bye na, Papa! Bye-bye! Thank you. you for watching.
Thank you po.
Sa unboxing po ni Gio ng kanyang cutting vegetable and fruits.
Blue.